On a bright Saturday morning, Emma woke up feeling excited. She had a plan for the day. She was going to visit the biggest shopping mall in her city with her older brother, Lucas. Emma had never spent a whole day at the mall before, so she felt curious and happy. Emma got out of bed and looked out the window. The sky was blue, and the sun was shining. She quickly got dressed in a comfortable t-shirt, jeans, and sneakers. She wanted to be ready for a long day of walking. In the kitchen, her mother was making breakfast. The smell of toast and eggs filled the room. "Good morning, Emma," her mother said with a smile. "Are you ready for your shopping day?" "Yes, I'm very excited," Emma said. "Lucas said the mall is very big. He told me there are many stores, a cinema, and even a small indoor park." Her father looked up from his newspaper. "Remember to stay together and be careful," he said kindly. Emma nodded. "We will." After breakfast, Lucas called from the living room. "Emma, are you ready? The bus will arrive soon." Emma grabbed her small bag and checked that she had her wallet and phone. She said goodbye to her parents. And then she and Lucas walked to the bus stop. The bus ride took about 30 minutes. Emma looked out the window as the city passed by, tall buildings, busy streets, and people walking quickly. Finally, the bus stopped near a huge building with glass walls and large signs. The mall looked bright and modern. Emma's eyes grew wide. "Wow," she said softly. "It's bigger than I imagined." Lucas laughed. "Wait until you see inside." They walked through the main entrance. And Emma felt amazed. The mall was full of light. Music played softly in the background. People walked everywhere, carrying shopping bags and talking happily. There were many floors connected by escalators. Colorful signs showed directions to different areas: clothing, electronics, food court, bookstore, and more. "Where should we go first?" Emma asked. "Let's start with the clothing stores," Lucas suggested. They went up the escalator. Emma held the handrail and watched the busy scene below. Inside the clothing store, bright lights shone on rows of clothes. Emma looked at dresses, jackets, and shoes. She touched the soft fabrics and smiled. "I like this blue sweater," she said. "Try it on," Lucas said. Emma went to the fitting room. After a moment, she came out wearing the sweater. "It looks great," Lucas said. "It suits you." Emma looked in the mirror and felt happy. She decided to buy it. After paying, they continued walking. They passed a store selling electronics. Large screens showed colorful images. Emma stopped to watch. Lucas looked at headphones. "I need new ones," he said. A store assistant came over. "Can I help you?" she asked politely. Lucas asked about the prices and tested a pair. After thinking for a moment, he bought them. Next, Emma saw a bookstore. She loved books, so they went inside. The smell of paper was calming. Emma walked slowly along the shelves. She found a simple storybook and smiled. "I want this," she said. Lucas nodded. Books are always a good choice. After shopping for a while, they felt hungry. "Let's go to the food court," Lucas said. The food court was busy and full of delicious smells: pizza, noodles, grilled chicken, and sweet desserts. Emma looked around, unsure what to choose. "There are so many options," she said. Lucas laughed. "Take your time." Emma chose a bowl of noodles, and Lucas ordered a sandwich. They found a table near a window and sat down. As they ate, Emma watched people passing by, families with children, friends laughing together, couples carrying shopping bags. "This place feels lively," Emma said. After lunch, they decided to explore more. They visited a home goods store with colorful decorations. Emma admired soft pillows and small lamps. They also stopped at a toy store. Children ran around excitedly. Emma smiled as she watched them. Later, they went to the cinema area. Large posters showed upcoming movies. Emma felt excited just looking at them. "Maybe we can watch a movie next time," she said. "Sure," Lucas replied. As the afternoon continued, Emma began to feel a little tired. They sat on a bench near a fountain. The sound of water was relaxing. "I didn't know shopping could be so fun," Emma said. Lucas smiled. "It's not only about buying things. It's also about spending time together." Emma thought about his words. She realized that the best part of the day was not the new sweater or book. It was sharing the experience with her brother. Before leaving, they bought ice cream. Emma chose chocolate, and Lucas chose vanilla. They walked slowly toward the exit, enjoying the sweet treat. Outside, the sun was beginning to set. The sky turned soft orange and pink. "I had a wonderful day," Emma said. "I'm glad," Lucas replied. On the bus ride home, Emma felt pleasantly tired. She looked at the shopping bags at her feet and smiled. When they arrived home, their parents asked about the day. Emma spoke excitedly about the stores, the food, and the busy atmosphere. "It sounds like you had a great time," her mother said. Emma nodded. "Yes, but the best part was spending the day with Lucas." That night, as Emma prepared for bed, she thought about everything she had seen: the bright lights, the music, the friendly faces, and the feeling of togetherness. She realized that simple days can become special memories. With a happy heart, Emma turned off the light and fell asleep, dreaming of another adventure at the big shopping mall.